the trap 3 raise. Oftentimes, folks tell us, oh, I've got tension in my neck, really hurts in my shoulders. I carry my tension up high. Yeah, you and everybody else, right? Trap 3, trapezius muscles, big old back muscles. We have upper traps, middle traps, lower traps. You can also number them 1, 2, 3. Almost entirely everyone that we work with has overdeveloped upper traps. They use their upper traps too much. The middle and lower traps, not so much. This movement is designed to help balance that out a little bit. So we have the trap 3 raise. I've got some light dumbbells. I'm gonna stand up nice and tall. Hinge about 45 degrees. Butt tight, gut tight, shoulder blades back and down. I'm trying to go up like a Y. I'm trying to keep my elbows as straight as I can, go up as high as I can in a Y position. So, that's I, that's T. We're looking for that uppercase Y. The trap 3 raise, anybody, and if I'm talking to you and you're watching this, this is definitely you. Anybody that is a little overdeveloped in the neck, the upper traps, carries tension in the neck, spend a little bit more time on those lower trap muscles. There you go, trap 3 raise, get after it.